Hi, welcome to DWS Cooks Everything. This is actually a new channel for me. All you guys that are obviously new here, I'm DWS Dave from DWS Outdoors. There's a lot of DWSs to say there. I wanted to start a channel based around the fact that I really do cook kind of everything. I'm not a chef, so don't hold me to that. If you came here for a five-star chef, that's not me. I just like making good food. I cook a lot of different varieties, a lot of American stuff. I try to make some Asian, Chinese, Japanese cuisine, stuff like that. A lot of home style food, some Cajun stuff. But I always put my own twist on it. And the big thing here is it's never really bad. I mean, I haven't really made. I mean, it might be a biased opinion, but from what I understand, it doesn't seem like it's that bad. But today I wanted to try something new. I don't think I've ever made anything with peanut sauce before, but I like chicken, I like fish, I like steak, stuff like that, and I really like Asian or Chinese. Or comment below. What would you? This is Chinese cuisine, right? Like peanut sauce. So I'm gonna do a quick little recipe. It's gonna be very simple, very to the point. And this is basically, this whole channel is gonna revolve around the idea of like anybody can cook themselves something good. One, two, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to have good food, and then three, instead of going out to eat all the time, just come up with weird things and make them. That's kind of how I learned how to cook. Is my whole life basically revolved around the idea of like, I want something, I want to figure out how to make it, and I'm gonna try to make it, even if I screw up. I'm sure I made a bunch of bad food in the past, and I've evolved to the point where I'm making decent stuff. But yeah, we're gonna stop talking here. I'm gonna get to this. I'm just gonna show you the process, what's involved, what I have as far as ingredients, so you guys can go pick up the same stuff. Obviously, you've seen the peanut sauce already. I don't think it matters. Pick your favorite peanut sauce. But yeah, let's get into the ingredients. Okay, so the ingredients list today is pretty simple, and this can really be based around what you like. But the way the flavors go together on this stuff, it's usually pretty good. So some green onions. We have some broccoli. You could use cauliflower or something else. I was going to add carrots, but I completely spaced that. But yeah, some broccoli, red and yellow pepper, so some sweet. So the reason I choose the things I do is for the flavor palettes that go together. So these are sweet. Those green onions are, they have a little bit more bite to them. But yeah, red and yellow peppers. I just bought some pre-sliced baby bellas, but you could obviously buy them whole or whatever and cut them up yourself to the size you like. These usually work pretty good for little stir fries. Some stringless sugar snap peas. If you've never had these before, they are amazing. And then in today's mix, I'm gonna throw in just a single jalapeno. I might not even use the whole thing, but I wanted a little bit of heat. And then obviously you guys seen it before, the Bangkok peanut sauce. Like I said, I don't think it matters which kind, but yeah, get your favorite kind and go from there. But I'm gonna chop all these up and manageable little sizes. So it's gonna be more or less a stir fry if you've ever made one before. If you've never made a stir fry before, basically you're just sauteing down and breaking down the veggies a little bit. And then one other thing, gotta have chicken breast. So you could probably do this with steak, chicken, or fish. I like peanut sauce with my chicken and steak, so I'm gonna cut this up into little cubes, stir fry it till it's basically cooked all the way through, and then I'll go from there. Okay, so like I said, I bought pre-cut mushrooms, so I'm just gonna throw those in a bowl. Gonna need a bowl to throw your stuff in. This just makes life easier. Same thing with the sugarless snap peas. Like I said, this is going to be really simple to explain, because it's not really Not really anything fancy. This is just really good food, simple and easy. Basically, so with the green onions, you're gonna. I'll just show you real quick here. You're gonna want to cut, you know, nice little chunks like that. They'll saute down, go really good on the stuff. And then I'll cut the rest of the stuff up. You'll basically see as I go. Okay, so as you guys can see, everything's cut up in a bowl. I'm going to place this to the side over there, and then I have another bowl over here. I'm going to cut all of the fat off of this chicken, and then I'm going to cut it up into little manageable pieces. And the best, I like, for me, like the easiest way to cook stuff kind of quick and easy is like a 1 by 1 inch chunk, or you can do like a 1/2 inch like wide chunk, kind of like strips if you really want to do them that way. And actually that sounds good today, so I might do like 2-3 inch long by 1/2 inch strips. Okay, so I decided today that I was going to season my chicken with garlic seasoning. Well, it's garlic jalapeno, but since I already have jalapeno in it, and basically I didn't put any garlic in the mix here, this will kind of make up for that. Like I said, this is quick, easy, simple. This is a Weber seasoning. Anybody can get it. And yeah, I'm just gonna mix it into the chicken real easy. And I like to pre-season my chicken, let it sit, and then while I'm cooking the vegetables, it's kind of marinating. So, you know, throw a little seasoning on there, mix it in really good. Like I said, this is as simple as it gets. So these are those little strips, like I said, you know, little 2 inch, 1/2 inch thick strips. Some of them a little bit bigger, some a little bit smaller, but these will cook up real quick here. So what you're gonna do is take these, heat up some of the, so other thing I forgot to add here, it's a learning experience. Some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. But yeah, you're gonna heat some up in the bottom of a pan, get it warm enough, and then you're gonna cook these until they're cooked. I'm gonna pre-cook these in here, and then in another pan I'm gonna cook these with some olive oil while those are cooking. So kind of, you know, get everything together at the same time, and then everything's gonna get mixed up in my big pot. Not everybody has all this stuff. You can do it in a much smaller scale. This is just how I do it. It's a lot easier and a lot more simple for me to get, you know, everything taken care of then. I like to go with a really high heat, kind of just sear everything, keeps the flavor in. So if you sear meat, this is just something I learned over the years. When you sear meat, it keeps all the moisture and flavor inside. So like, you're not gonna overcook it. You have to pay attention. I don't go by time, I just go by look. So this is one of those things where you're gonna learn how to do this the right way. There's a million videos out there to do it. This is just the easy way. basically, yeah, you're just trying to cook up the meat here, the vegetables separate, and then we'll come back basically when everything's ready to mix together. Okay, so chicken looks pretty good. The easiest way I can tell is it basically won't be rubbery anymore. But yeah, if you stir it for, I think it's like 5 to 8 minutes or something like that when they're chunks like this, they should be pretty cooked through, but make sure you cook your chicken all the way through. That's a necessity. And then the veggies should be steamed down good and cooked through. Make sure those get stirred as you go through. I may have added a tablespoon or 2 of butter to these, but everything's looking good here. These are on low now, and now I'm just going to take my chicken and add it right to the veggies. So I'm not trying to add the liquid at the bottom of the pot here. You just kind of scoop about the chicken like that. Okay, that's good. And now for the best part, peanut sauce. So I'm just gonna add in, I don't know, probably, I got 2 chicken breasts in there, so I'll probably do a little over half of this or a little less than half this bottle. Or a little more than half this bottle. Basically do it to taste. I love peanut sauce, so I'm gonna mix this up on low here. See how it looks. Looks pretty good, yeah. A little more than half a bottle is pretty good. And then I'm just going to cook this down a little bit more and call it good. So, pretty simple, like I said. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. And yeah, going to enjoy it. Looks good, smells amazing. Okay, so finished product, good to go, ready to eat. Comment below if you try this recipe out yourself. If you got any of your own recipes, you should comment below. Anything that you think might make this better. Like I said, this is just something I'm trying. I've never actually made this before, so you guys are seeing it at the same time I am. But yeah, the best recipe in the comments I'll pin, just to see if I can spread some food awareness around, I guess is the idea here. I'd love to see more and more people getting out, playing with their food, and just getting out and trying something different. This is different to me. I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it's good. I'll let you know in the comments below if it's bad. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me along the little new try here. It's basically a peanut sauce stir-fry chicken, but without a wok, and basically anybody could make this thing. It's just mixing some good veggies up together, getting a peanut sauce that you like, and some chicken. You could probably do this with chicken, steak, or fish. I just like chicken. It's simple and easy to do. The way I cooked it makes cooking the chicken super easy. And then, yeah, I just want to encourage everybody out there, get out, start playing with your food more. All right, welcome to